The beach is a good place to pick up girls because you can really see them. Most beaches are chicks, and they're